Hey, good afternoon, everyone. It's Coach Chris coming back at you at 3:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Well, what a day. I mean, I recorded that video thinking, it's going to consolidate the rest of the afternoon, and I could not have been more wrong. I don't remember. I think it was somewhere in here when I recorded that last video. By the way, this is a 5-minute chart of the MNQ, and this is the AccuTrader.net system on the screen here. What you see, the green here, the clouds, and the candles. So it's a 5-minute chart of the MNQ September 2024 contract expires in a week or two. And we saw insanity today. I think this was the last trade I had talked about in the video this morning. Triggered, what was it, at around 8:50 this morning. And we picked up a few points on it. Went from here all the way down for 276 points, which was pretty darn nice. Now, at 10:40, we got triggered into a long, and we never got out of it. It went from 10:40 or 10:35 a.m. Central Time this morning, and it's still going. The market hasn't closed yet. It's only 20 after 3 here. Market's open another 40 minutes. Absolute insanity. At this point, it's 600 points on the NQ and MNQ. That means for every micro, $1,200 if you'd have stayed in it. For a full-size mini, $12,000. I mean, comprehend that for a second. I mean, this was absolutely crazy. And it started with a big push up. This first candle was over 60 points. So you never, ever, ever went negative on the trade. Well, depend where you got in on that candle. But if you got in halfway up or better, you never went into any heat. It went up, pushed up, then it pulled back, and you can see, expand this a little bit, how it wicked that candle right, or the basis line rather, sent that long, thin wick down, bounced off, and that gave them the liquidity sweep they needed to drive this thing up to the moon. I mean, 600 points over half of the day. Yes, high point, 610 points. Absolute insanity. And you can see how it rolled way up here on the top of this band here, this cloud. Never really, it pierced it here a little bit, here, but it never touched it other than right there. So I don't know if any of you got in on that move. I know it'd be a little unrealistic for someone to hold it that whole way, but if you did, you were golden. So I had to come back and make a short video and put that up there. So get ready for tomorrow. More news in the morning. We'll see if this is going to be continuation of this, reversal, or what's going to happen. But either way, I'm predicting some fireworks. Coach Chris, AccuTrader.net, signing off.